Your teams work hard, but so much of that work is searching for answers, pulling reports, figuring out what the data is telling you. What if you could have a conversation with your data using intelligence that lives right where you work, ready to answer and guide? Acumatica is transforming ERP from a system of record to a system of intelligence. Our approach to artificial intelligence follows a clear progression, one that mirrors how organizations naturally build trust over time. Each stage delivers real value on its own, and each one makes the next more powerful. First, AI advises, surfacing anomalies and insights. Then it assists. With Acumatica AI Assistant, instead of searching for answers or building a report, you simply ask a question. Here, we leverage the same data your team already relies on within the generic inquiry. Then we ask the AI assistant to find it, such as the top 20 items sold. The results come back quickly, clear, structured, and ready for action. The more specific your question, the more useful the answer. Now imagine you're a manufacturing project manager preparing for a quarterly review. You need to know which products are driving your strongest margins, and you need the answer now, not after someone runs a report. Start the conversation. Follow up, refine your question, or ask for the same data in a different format, a table, a chart, a ranked list, without starting over. AI keeps up as your thinking evolves. Now we're asking AI Assistant to surface the top construction projects by profitability, the kind of question a project manager might ask the morning before a leadership review. And it doesn't stop at the answer. Acumatica surfaces related questions you might not have thought to ask, along with notable data points that give you a head start on your status report and a clearer picture of where the budget is heading. Acumatica is evolving the ERP platform from a system of record into a system of intelligence. Today, you saw intelligence that assists and amplifies, meeting your people where they work, answering the questions they're already asking, and surfacing the ones they haven't thought of yet. But we aren't stopping there. Other solutions bolt on AI as an afterthought. Acumatica builds it in as a strategy. Advise, assist, automate, and orchestrate. A clear path from insight to action in the workflows your teams use every day. Contact us today to schedule your personalized demonstration of Acumatica AI-driven platform.